So I want to quickly move on to the situational analysis. You've all done this recently, so I'm not going to go through this in a lot of detail. Quickly skim. What is a situational analysis? What is your understanding of a situational analysis?
It's an analysis of your macro and micro competitors.
Those are the tools I use, but what is the purpose of it?
To assess your environment that your brand is operating in and the target market.
At the current moment, what's happening now? Because I can conduct a situational analysis over a period of time. So essentially, it's to gather information, get an overall picture, big picture, analyze what's happening, explain what's happening, identify things which are facilitating or preventing progress, identify and highlight problems and needs, and then it leads you towards strategies and plans to address those problems and needs. So that's the purpose of a situational analysis. The tools that you use are these: macro, micro, industry analysis, target market, and then a SWOT. Remember, your macro and micro always leads to a SWOT. You don't do SWOT beforehand. The things that you get out of macro and micro will tell you what your SWOT should be. Okay, I'm not going to go through this in detail. You've done it. Do you have any questions on this?
So, the SWOT is based on the strategy.
What do you mean it's based on a strategy?
Like,
it's part of my strategy. So it helps me to analyze, let's say, what might be opportunities that I can exploit that will then form part of my strategy going forward. Or it will help me to highlight weaknesses in what I'm currently doing that might lead me to think, okay, this is a problem area, what do I need to do to sort it out? Or is it something that I should be taking cognizance of now? So it's going to lead me in a direction. Does that make sense?
What advice is there?
Definitely can advise towards a certain direction. Make sense?
mm-hmm.
Okay.